Hey you guys, good morning. It's almost 10:30. I just woke up. Actually, I woke up around 9:30, but I was just feeling so lazy. I wasn't feeling like getting off my bed, but finally I'm here and yeah. So I just wanted to shoot this casual a day in my life kind of vlog from so long. Actually, I wanted to shoot some vlog and I planned a lot of stuff, but that didn't come up. And few times I lost the part of the footage and hence cannot put a vlog or something, but I finally hope I will be able to put up this time. So welcome to this casual vlog. I'm doing it for the first time, so I don't know how it will go, but yeah, I'll try. As soon as I'm up in the morning, I brush my teeth and wash my face. These are the two things that I cannot skip or delay no matter what. I cannot function without these things. I just don't feel fresh. That's how I start my day. And of course, some skincare to hydrate and freshen up my face. And yes, I wear sunscreen even at home without fail, and you should too. I'm using L'Oreal sunscreen. It just gets in my skin so easily and it doesn't leave any white cast. My face is all hydrated and moisturized, and trust me, I just love this morning after skincare kind of face. Skincare just makes me so happy. I am already very hungry because I woke up around 9:30 ish and I've not eaten anything, like nothing in my stomach. So yeah, let's go to kitchen and see. Before I eat or drink anything in morning, it is absolutely mandatory for me to have a glass of lukewarm water with honey in it. I do not add lemon every day. I just add it once in a week or maybe once in 2 weeks because I'm already short on calcium. One thing I totally forgot, I really like to apply some fragrance in the morning. Generally it's a body mist because it just makes me feel so fresh. It just feel I can finally smell morning, that morning vibes. So I take my roll on, whichever I'm using, I just put them. And then this body splash in Tuscan green from Waterworld. I'm just loving this so much recently. Generally, while sipping my warm water, I like to spend time on my phone, but I have done so much in the morning itself, which is so unlike me. I don't spend time on mobile in morning like as soon as I get up, but I just did today. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna go and start my office work. I'll just check what is there for today while I finish this, which is hot. It's not lukewarm today. So it's gonna take me time. My phone is troubling me a lot from last 3 months. I don't know what's stopping me from getting the battery replaced or even change the complete phone. It's 11:45 and I'm back in my kitchen to make breakfast. लोग generally इस time पे lunch prepare करते हैं, but I'm having first meal of my day. I'm not even having, I'm just making. Actually, it's pretty late today because I started my day late. Otherwise, I start prepping for my breakfast around 11. Yeah, but that's थोड़ा सा late हो गया. In case you are impressed with my chopping skills, let me tell you, I have learnt this in the lockdown itself last year. I'm just heating the oil in this kadhai and cooking the vegetables that I chopped before finally adding some Maggi and water. मेरी हर sleepless night के बाद morning में जो भी energy आती है वो coffee से ही आती है. So coffee is my love. Nothing can replace it. I don't take white sugar at all, so I'm using jaggery powder instead. I always use a blender in the boiled milk just to get that rich froth. Normally, oregano, chili flakes and cheese especially cheese, is mandatory in my Maggie, but I'm at my sister's place and I'm not able to find half of the things. So I just added the veggies simply, but this is also good. But cheese Maggie is like so amazing. I am back to my office work. In case you guys don't know, I have a full-time 9 to 5 IT job. I'll be doing my work for a couple of hours until it's time for lunch. Hi again. So it's almost 3:30 and I'm mentally so exhausted and I've not even completed half of the office work that I was supposed to do. I don't know. I'm having headache and I'm also hungry, but I'm in no mood of cooking. Like, no, I'm not feeling like. So I've ordered something for myself. Till the order comes, I'm going to take shower quickly so that I feel fresh again. Also, I have this proper work from home setup, like a proper table. It's little messy because these are like my skincare products. मैंने इसे बाहर रख दिया है उसके ऊपर. I have like a proper chair also. You can see. But still मैं सुबह से बेड पे बैठी हूँ. That's such a bad habit because it impacts your productivity as well. Maybe because that room has AC and this area doesn't have any AC and it's so hot. But yeah, once I take the shower, I'll try to sit here so that I can complete my office work on time, because trust me, my mood gets spoiled when I extend my office work till late in the night. So yeah, I'm gonna finish it today. See you after shower. Okay, I'm done with shower and meanwhile food has also arrived. I'm just doing my skincare quickly and I'll start eating. I need food in my stomach. I'm very hungry. और वो जो भूख से सर दर्द होता है ना, मुझे exactly वो हो रहा है. And thankfully food has arrived in like 10 minutes. I don't know how that happened. आज सब कुछ लेट हो रहा है because I started my day late and then I'm vlogging also, so it's like kind of distraction where I have to switch on the camera every time I'm doing something. And मेरा workout का तो पूरा बैंड बजा हुआ है. I cannot wait to go to Bangalore so that I can resume my workout. Food is here. I've ordered some roll and this is the milkshake from last night. This is pretty much my lunch at 4 p.m. Also, I'll be sitting at this table for rest of the day because I've been on that bed only since yesterday. So I just want a change of position. So I'm here finally. By the way, I'm alone in this whole flat, so I can literally sit in any corner of this house, and this has 3 balconies and everything. It's really hot, so I'm not sitting in balcony. Otherwise I love sitting in balcony, having my chai or just listening to some music or something. Even reading also, I love reading in balcony. But yeah, I'll be finishing my lunch, and also I am just missing Lucifer. I have not watched Lucifer in 2 days and I'm kind of addicted. After I finished Outlander, I was feeling so sad because I did not have anything interesting to watch, so I started Lucifer and I'm liking it so far. And it's been 2 days I've not watched much, so yeah. By the time I'm finishing it, I'm watching it. I'll try to resume my office work as soon as possible. Because I want to finish it on time, Baba. Okay, I don't watch anything on my phone. Like, it's very odd for me. I have never. I don't know. I see people watching over phone. Yes, it is convenient because you can literally watch it anywhere, anytime. And yeah, people traveling in metros or cab or anything, they would just watch on TV. And even at home, people watch on mobile, because it's convenient. But I have never. I always enjoy watching on laptop, but अगर अभी मैंने laptop में देखना शुरू किया तो I'll not stop. So better watch it on phone and close in 10 minutes. I've not done any makeup and no fancy clothes at all. These are my घर के कपड़े, what I wear at home. I've not done even my hair. मैं अपने Instagram फ़ोटोज़ के तरह हमेशा ग्लैम अप नहीं होती हूँ. वो सारे फ़ोटोज़ ज़्यादातर मेरे शूट डेज़ के होते हैं जो कि मैं वीकेंड पे करती हूँ. Okay, it's just 7:15 and I'm already done with my office work. I really like this feeling when I complete my office work on time, because it means I have a lot more time to just do whatever I want to do after office. So yeah, usually I would make tea and some snacks right now because I'm also hungry and it's also a tea time. But then my sister is coming, not the one who actually lives in this apartment, but the other one. So I'm just waiting for her to come so that दोनों साथ में चाय पियेंगे गरम गरम. आई जस्ट होप शी इज़ंट टेरिबली लेट. तो मुझे बहुत मन कर रहा है कि मैं यूट्यूब या नेटफ्लिक्स कुछ देखूँ बैठ के, बट आई एम नॉट गोना डू दैट. आई विल डू समथिंग मच more peaceful and interesting. I'll show you. Okay, so this is the pretty balcony. This is the glass door in front of it. I'm just gonna stand there spend some time. Also, can you see my car? Okay, let me just take you inside. And that's my car. Oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. Okay, so it's 8 already and my sister isn't here. No calls from her or nothing. So, and I don't want to bug her by calling and asking. She must be very tired. But I cannot wait for my chai. Like, it's already 8 p.m. So yeah, I'm just gonna make tea, and also I've been thinking to make some makhana snack or something. So I'll just quickly check the recipe because I'm not sure what spices or what else you add. These are my roasted makhanas. Sorry for bad lighting. Yeah, my tea is also ready. I'm just gonna have it. No, my tea actually looks fine. I don't know. In picture it might look little. So I enjoyed my tea and snacks alone because, well, my sister came around 9. That's it for this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed watching this unplanned, very realistic and casual a day in my life. And yeah, I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay indoors, and yeah, take care. Bye bye.